इब्तदा है रब्बे जलील के बाबरकत नाम से, जो दिलों के भेद खूब जानता है. Today I am here to deliver the lecture of 10th class chemistry. Chapter 10, Acid, Base and Salts. First we will discuss the introduction about acid, base and salts. Acid, bases and salts are three distinct classes in which almost all the organic and inorganic compounds are classified. A famous Muslim chemist, Jabir bin Hayyan, please keep in mind that Jabir bin Hayyan was a student of Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam. He prepared nitric acid, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Three acids, HNO3, HCl and H2SO4 was prepared by Jabir bin Hayyan. In 1787, Leviezer named binary compounds of oxygen such as carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. These are binary compounds consisting of two elements, carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen, sulfur dioxide, sulfur and oxygen. Leviezer named these compounds that these are acids, which on dissolution in water gave acidic solution. Later on, in 1815, Sir Humphrey Davy discovered that there are certain acids which are without oxygen. Leviezer said that two compounds of oxygen known as acids, and Humphrey discovered that there are certain acids which are without oxygen, that is HCl. Davy proved the presence of hydrogen as the main constituent of all acids. It was also discovered that all water-soluble metallic oxides turn red litmus into blue, which is a characteristic of bases. The word acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, meaning sour. The first acid known to man was acetic acid, that is in the form of vinegar. Now first topic is concept of acid and bases. You have learned already in previous classes, but now here are four major differences between acid and bases. Acids have sour taste, for example unripe citrus fruit or lemon juice, but bases have bitter taste and feel slippery. For example, soap is slippery to touch. Acid turns blue litmus into red, while bases turn red litmus into blue. They are corrosive in concentrated form. Acids are corrosive in concentrated form when they are thick, but bases are non-corrosive except concentrated forms of NaOH and KOH, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxides. Except these two bases, all bases are non-corrosive. Their aqueous solution conduct electric current. When electricity passes through acids, they can conduct. And their aqueous solution aqueous solution of bases also conduct electric current. Three main concepts of acid and bases are included in your topic. Arrhenius concept of acid and base, Bronsted-Lowry concept of acid and base, and Lewis concept of acid and base. Today we will discuss only Arrhenius acid and base. According to Arrhenius concept, in 1787, Arrhenius gave the concept about acid and bases. Acid is a substance which dissociate in aqueous solution to give hydrogen ion. In general, the ionization of acid takes place as HA. This is general reaction. H for hydrogen, A for any acid. Reversible reaction H positive and A negative. This acid, when dissociate in water, it gives H positive ion, hydrogen ion in water. This substance is known as acid according to Arrhenius. Arrhenius acid is a substance which dissociate in aqueous solution to give hydrogen ion. Here some examples are written: HCl, HNO3, CH3, COOH, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid. When dissolved in water, they all give hydrogen ion H positive. On the other hand, base is a substance which dissociate in aqueous solution to give hydroxide ion. The general ionization of bases takes place as follow: BOH, B for the base, OH for the hydroxide. When it dissociates in water, it gives B positive and OH negative. This is base according to Arrhenius because it gives OH negative ion when dissociated in water. The substances such as sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, all are bases because these compounds ionize in aqueous solution to provide OH negative ion. Example is sodium hydroxide. When dissociate in water, it gives Na positive plus OH negative. Sodium hydroxide is a base according to Arrhenius concept because it gave OH negative ion. According to Arrhenius concept, acid gave H positive ion in water, bases gave OH negative ion in water. This was Arrhenius concept. Now some important acids and bases are given in the table. Please prepare their names and also chemical formula. Hydrochloric acid HCl, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, phosphoric acid H3PO4, sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide COH whole twice, and aluminium hydroxide AlOH whole thrice. There are some limitations according to Arrhenius concept. First limitation, that it is limited only for the aqueous medium. This concept is applicable only in aqueous medium when water is available and does not explain nature of acids and bases in non-aqueous medium. According to this concept, acid and bases are only those compounds which contain H positive and OH negative ions respectively. That acids are those compounds which contain H positive ions and bases are those compounds which contain hydroxide ions. It cannot explain the nature of compounds like CO2, NH3, etc., which are acid and bases respectively. Although this concept has limited scope, yet it lead to the development of more general theories of acid and base behavior. Our Arrhenius acid base concept topic was completed. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Tomorrow we will learn next concept. Allah Hafiz.